Welcome to my channel. Please like, comment, and subscribe. What is fire insurance? Fire insurance covers damages to your home, other structures on your property, and your personal belongings caused by fire. It also can pay for hotel and food costs if you cannot live in your home anymore. It is likely that your homeowner's insurance policy, like most policies, cover fire damage, at least to a certain extent. First, dwelling coverage. Your policy's dwelling coverage pays to rebuild or repair your home if it is destroyed by fire or smoke, up to your policy's limit. Other structures coverage is the second. As the name suggests, this component of your policy covers other structures on your property like detached shed, garage, and fence that could be harmed by fire. The third, personal property coverage. Your personal property coverage pays to replace clothes, technology, furniture, and other belongings should they be damaged or destroyed. Fourth, additional living expense coverage. This component covers many of the costs you will face if you cannot live in your home for a little while. For example, the cost of eating out or staying in the hotel. And how does fire insurance work? Fire insurance typically covers fires from things like faulty wiring, electrical issues, gas explosion, and certain natural disasters like lightning strikes. However, if you live in an area where wildfires are common, there might be some coverage limitation. After a fire happens, be sure to file a claim and take plenty of photos of the damage. You will want to find out the cause of the fire, when and where it started, and the extent of the damage. You should also take stock of what belongings you might have lost. Fire insurance typically covers fire damage caused by faulty wiring, electrical issues, gas explosion, and certain natural disasters like lightning strikes. It doesn't cover fires caused by war, nuclear contamination, radiation, or arson. And what does fire insurance not cover? Fire insurance doesn't cover fires caused by war or nuclear radiation or contamination. It also doesn't cover arson, which is intentionally setting your own home on fire. Additionally, if you are insuring a vacant home, fire insurance typically will not cover that home if it was empty for more than 30 days before the start of the fire. Replacement cost versus actual cash value. Let's say your home's completely destroyed by fire. You might be reimbursed for your home's replacement value or its actual cash value, depending on which option you have chosen to your homeowner's insurance policy. To help you rebuild your home, cash value coverage would reimburse you from the amount that your items were worth at the time of the fire. Since items less become valuable over time because of wear and tear, you likely receive less than what you paid for them, and you might not have enough coverage to replace your items. On the other hand, replacement cost coverage will reimburse you for the cost of new items of similar quality, even if your original item becomes less valuable over time. Therefore, replacement cost coverage would give you more protection, but it also means higher premiums. Think about what's right for you. Would you prefer lower premiums with a less coverage in the event of a fire, or actual cash value coverage, or higher premiums over time in exchange for more coverage or replacement cost coverage? If you choose actual cash value coverage, make sure that you have enough saving to compensate for the lower payout and replace your item. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give like, comment, and subscribe.